What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're taking a look at the Tozo NC2 active noise canceling earbuds versus the Boltune Elite active noise canceling earbuds. So for those of you that follow the channel, you've probably seen my top 5 ANC earbuds under 60 bucks, and at the top of that list was the Tozo NC2. Now at the time of making that video, I wanted to check out the Boltune Elite earbuds to see where they would rank on that list, but at that time, I believe they were 70 bucks, so they didn't quite meet the criteria of being under 60 bucks. Well, fast forward to now, the price has dropped down to 59 bucks, and I believe actually right now they have $10 off, so you can get them for even less than that. So let's go ahead and check them out and see how they match up with the Tozo NC2. Alright, so starting off with the charging cases, as you can see, the Boltune case has an overall more rounded shape compared to the Tozo case. They both have a matte finish all the way around, and the build quality on both is very solid. Neither one of them feels cheap by any means. They each have nice sturdy hinges, so whenever you open the cases, the lids don't just flop around. And I also really like the fact that they have the battery indicator lights on the front of the case. So with the earbuds themselves, as you can see, they're almost identical. They have the long stem design with that glossy exterior finish, and the only real difference is going to be the branding as well as that slight angle that you have with the stem on the Tozo. But aside from that, they look extremely similar. They both feature in-ear detection, so you can see they've got the sensors on the inner part of each of the earbuds. Another small difference is that the touch surface on the Tozo is slightly larger compared to the Boltune, which does make a slight difference when it comes to using the touch controls, so we'll talk more about that later in the video. So both earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.2, and they each support independent use, so you can listen to one earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. And like I mentioned earlier, they both support in-ear detection, which means that whenever you have the earbuds in your ear, if you remove either the left or the right, your music will automatically pause, and then once you place the earbud back into your ear, your music will automatically resume. When it comes to battery life, the Tozo claims about 8 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 32 hours with the charging case. The Boltune is claiming about 9 hours on a single charge, and that extends to about 33 hours or so with the charging case, so pretty similar numbers in terms of battery life. As far as wireless charging, only the Tozo supports wireless charging, so if that's a must-have feature for you, the decision is pretty easy. You'll have to go with the Tozo. As far as water resistance, the Tozo comes with an IPX6 rating, while the Boltune comes with an IPX7 rating. So for everyday type of use, going to the gym, wearing them outdoors, both of them is going to have you covered in terms of water and moisture, pretty much as long as you're not doing anything like trying to swim or completely submerge the earbuds. They're both going to have you covered. So you're pretty much going to get a standard fit with both of these earbuds. If you've ever tried this style of earbud, you pretty much know what to expect. You just got to make sure you get the right size ear tips for your ears in order to get the proper seal. As far as the controls, both earbuds give you full controls, so you're not having to sacrifice anything. You're getting your play and pause, your track controls, your volume controls, as well as your voice assistant, and you're also able to activate the ANC as well as the transparency mode. Like I mentioned earlier, the controls on the Tozo are just a little bit easier to use simply because the touch surface is a little bit larger, so it just helps in terms of accuracy. So up until now, the only real difference between these two earbuds is that the Tozo supports wireless charging and the Boltune does not. Well, the other main difference is going to be the sound quality. Both earbuds deliver some really impressive sound, but the Tozo do sound just slightly better. They don't exactly blow the Boltune out of the water, but there is a noticeable difference. The first thing is going to be the treble. With the Tozo, vocals seem to come in a little bit more forward, a little bit more clear, and also the bass seems to have a little bit more of a punch to it as well. And I feel like they have maybe one more notch of volume compared to the Boltune. The Boltune earbuds actually have a very similar sound to the Tozo, but I feel like if you were able to view the EQ profiles for both of these earbuds, you would see the bass as well as the highs are slightly dialed up a little bit more with the Tozo earbuds, giving it a slightly more aggressive V shape compared to the Boltune. Now, when it comes to the active noise cancellation, both earbuds are giving you some of the best ANC you can get within this price range. The only earbuds I would put ahead of these in terms of ANC would be the Soundpeats T2, which are on my top 5 list if you haven't seen that video. But the Tozo and the Boltune are giving you some really good bang for your buck in terms of ANC, and I wouldn't really put one over the other. Their performance is really close, so pretty much no matter what environment you're in, you're getting some really good mid-level active noise cancellation. When it comes to the transparency mode, there is a slight difference between the two. The Tozo do seem to do a better job of bringing in your surrounding noises compared to the Boltune. The Boltune also work really well. They give you a very natural sound, but they don't quite pass through the environment around you as well as the Tozo. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Tozo NC2 True Wireless Earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these earbuds for phone calls. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. And now this is a microphone test of the Boltune Elite True Wireless Earbuds. So again, this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these earbuds for phone calls. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be it for this video. The Tozo NC2 for me are still at the top of the list as far as ANC earbuds under 60 bucks. The Boltune are also a really great option. So if you're interested in grabbing either of these earbuds, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. And if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.